This is the new era of laser cutting, transforming the future of manufacturing. Precision to the micron, speed like lightning. Every cut embodies the power of technology. Junyi Laser, a professional laser equipment brand with a factory spanning over 40,000 square meters. Our products include air/water-cooled laser welding machine, air/water-cooled laser cleaning machine, dual chuck laser pipe cutting machine, exchange platform laser cutting machine, large format bevel laser cutting machine, custom built roll material laser cutting machine, large format H-beam laser cutting machine, laser welding robot, and more. Custom production line solutions are also available. Click the link to learn more or contact us for a customized solution.